Number 1. Jiangye Geopark, China. Geology lovers will be drawn to the otherworldly hues of the Rainbow Mountains. The colors were formed by the layering of sedimentary mineral deposits. It's hard to look at the flowing reds, yellows, and oranges and not feel like you're witnessing magic. Number 2. Venice, Italy. If traversing the canals with a bee-striped gondolier sounds unbearably touristy, stick to the sidewalks and spectacular arched bridges to get your feel of this truly unique, wildly romantic floating city. Number 3. Zlatni Rat, Croatia. Located on the Croatian island of Brac, the Golden Cape is one of Europe's top beaches. With crystal blue waters and a white pebble beach, the Golden Cape is the perfect place to take in the sun and let the air flow. Some parts of the beach are clothing optional. Number 4. Great Ocean Road, Australia. Head west from Melbourne on this coastal drive to see everything from the famous 12 Apostle Rock formations to koalas in Great Otway National Park, as well as the charming seaside town of Lorne. Number 5. Pamukkale, Turkey. Put every infinity pool you've ever seen to shame with its natural snow-white hot springs overlooking the nearby city of Denizli. Pamukkale is also home to the impressively preserved ruins of the ancient Roman city, Hierapolis, where you can bath like an emperor among the submerged centuries-old columns. Number 6. Japan in cherry blossom season. While Japan is beautiful year-round, the few weeks each spring when cherry trees across the country explode with blossoms is a particularly pretty time to visit. Number 7. Marrakesh, Morocco. Located at the foot of the Atlas Mountains, Marrakesh has changed little since the Middle Ages. You could spend days here wandering around maze-like alleyways, discovering the city's colorful souks, places, and gardens. Number 8. Oia, Santorini, Greece. All of the Greek islands are undeniably beautiful, but head of the hillside town of Oia for some of the best views of the bright blue Aegean Sea. 9. Muang Chai, Vietnam. Get off the beaten path in this rural district where the rice paddy terraced mountains and twisting streams will make you feel like you're living in a fairy tale. Number 10. Torres del Paine National Park, Chile. If you are looking to get off the grid, head to Chile's Patagonia region for some of the most beautiful mountain views you'll ever see. 11. Krabi, Thailand. Located on southern Thailand's west coast, This province's coastline is dotted with limestone cliffs and hundreds of islands just offshore in the Andaman Sea, making it one of the world's most popular beach vacation destinations. Number 12. Fiordland National Park, New Zealand. Each year, starting in the end of November and peaking in early December, fields of bright purple Russell lupins bloom across New Zealand's South Island. One of the most beautiful spots to go lupin spotting is in Fiordland National Park, home to the equally gorgeous Milford Sound. Number 13. Lisbon, Portugal. Situated on a series of hills over the Tagus River, Portugal's scenic capital is Belém, with magnificent views, pastel-colored buildings, and charming yellow streetcars. 14. Fernando de Noronha, Brazil. This remote volcanic archipelago, located about 200 miles off Brazil's coast, is famous for pristine white sand beaches and crystal clear waters filled with sea turtles and dolphins. 15. Cape Town, South Africa. It might take nearly a full day of travel to reach Cape Town, but the city's sweeping vistas from Table Mountain and miles of beaches are totally worth the long haul. 16. Blue Lagoon, Iceland. Located southwest of Reykjavik, Iceland's famous Blue Lagoon gets its trademark color from the silica-rich waters that feed it. And it isn't just pretty, the geothermal water is great for your skin too. 17. Sossobs Bay, Namibia. Located in Namibia's coastal desert, the remote Sossobs Bay region is home to the world's tallest end dunes, including one that is nearly a quarter-mile high. 18. Paris, France. It's hard not to fall in love with a city like Paris. Every arrondissement is full of postcard-worthy architecture. Idyllic city parks seem to outnumber the people and the food, even those beautiful macarons. 19. New York City, New York. While New York is undeniably noisy and crowded, don't knock it until you've watched the sunset over the Manhattan skyline, which is just plain beautiful. 20. El Yunque National Forest, Puerto Rico. Nestled in the Spanish Caribbean island of Puerto Rico, El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest located in North America and home to an abundance of wildlife and flora. That's all for today's guys. Please subscribe to our channel and please watch our part 2 of this video, the 21 to 50 best places in the world to travel. Thank you very much and bye-bye.
The silence grew so big it pushed a hole straight through the sky.